Kia ora koutou, ko Brooke Rameka Broadstock tōku ingoa. He uri ahau no ngā puhi te atu haunui a Pāpārangi me ngā te kahuna ki Wairarapa. I'm from New Zealand and I have travelled over to India through IndiCure support along with my mother who was receiving a hip replacement. So I investigated dental work while still in New Zealand, and all of the appointments and consultations via video with the dentist, Dr. Chirag, were coordinated by IndiCure. The process from New Zealand was absolutely smooth, and then we travelled to India and we were assisted by IndiCure also with transport from the hospital, from the airport to the hospital, and then from our accommodation to the hospital for our appointments and consultations. They assisted with getting the 3D scans for my dental procedures, and while I have been here I have received 2 root canals, and I've had my teeth prepared for crowns. I've had crowns fitted, and I've also had impressions taken for temporary dentures, as I've received 8 implants, and will need to return to get my crowns fitted onto those implants. I will again go through IndiCure, as I have found IndiCure not only to be a support network, however more so a family. They've become family. We've been here for 3 weeks while Mum's been recovering, and I've had my dental treatment staggered throughout the 3 weeks. And yeah, so I would highly recommend going through IndiCure. They've made the medical procedures and the system here, as it's different from home, a lot more smoother, and they've been able to coordinate everything, the appointments, and make sure that I knew where I was going to and what time I needed to be there. I would highly recommend IndiCure as a medical support team. So yeah, thank you. Kia ora, ka kite.